How to turn on a profile views notification on TikTok. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go and open TikTok, and then when your TikTok is opening guys, you will just go here to your profile, and then on your profile go to this three line, click on it, and then go to settings and privacy, click on it again, and then you will find a lot of options. You will just go to notification, open it, and you will find here on interaction, you will find profile views. You have to turn on this option by clicking here on this place and make it look like this in a blue color. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.